unboxing for the first time. Well, I cannot afford this one, so thank you my sponsor for buying me this. I will open this gift because I already finished my self course, so that's why right or no? Reward. A reward. So first is color green. It's a Razer Kiyo broadcasting camera with illumination. Right? It's a streamer certified Razer Broadcasting Studio. So it says here, multi-step ring light with adjustable lighting levels and HD 720p, 60 FPS HD video for high streaming quality. I don't understand what that means. And it says compatible with Open Broadcaster software and XSplit. Siyempre, hindi ko rin yun naintindihan. I did not understand. He said it's really good, but it's expensive. I can't afford this one.
It was discounted.
But still, even it's discounted, I still can't afford this one. If it's only me, I will not buy this one. So it's only a webcam, no?
It's a webcam.
It's a webcam with broadcasting camera with illumination. And it says, congratulations! There's no turning back! Bawal daw isoli. And then it says, as the world of live streaming grows larger, blah blah blah. Now, take up your weapon and find an opponent worth crushing. Happy hunting! Because it's for gamers. I'm not a gamer. I can be a player, but not a
It
gamer.
can be for gamers and YouTubers.
YouTubers. Okay, YouTubers.
Show it.
Huh? Yeah, I'm sure. It's a mouse pad. Huh? It's a mouse pad?
Yes.
Free mouse pad. No? There's a free mouse pad. It's a surprise because it's a camera with a free mouse pad. Then, la 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 la. What's this one? Pahirap bes. Ayan. Ay. Dun, dun, dun. Ah.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
I'm not really
1, 0.
I'm not really techie person, but you know, you don't need to be techie just to know how to remove this one. Ay, buli karbaw. Ay. Yay! Oh, la la. Yeah. Razer Kiyo camera with illumination. So, mamaya gagamitin namin i-touch. Yep. Mukha naman siya maganda, pero price-wise, I will not buy this one. It's 100 euro. I don't have that money. I said, don't move the camera. You lose the focus. See, it's wrong now. Really? I told you not to move. That's the...
I have cramp.
You're not doing your job well. Huh?
And we need to have a stand. But what I was
It's
looking,
USB.
I was looking for USB. The charger. At least you can illuminate it.
Quoi? Illuminate.
Where is the charger? You know, the USB.
Ah, it can be like this. Ah, okay. Then I will illuminate it now
But to show.
because usually I'm prettier if there's no light.
The base is not magnetic.
I don't know. Wait. Let me try.
Don't show my computer, the carbon computer.
Put it there. See, you ruined again the focus.
Hey, I
of
cannot
the
see. Do you have another screen to see?
Regard! Ah, you ruined again the focus of the camera. he bought me an expensive camera and other one, but he cannot buy new laptop for himself. Let's try this one. We will plug the USB cord. Turung, turung. And then after, I need to remove this one. And then, how to do it?
10, 9,
There's a button, no?
7, 6, 5, 4,
Nangangain
Three.
ng pangatote.
1, 0.
I don't know.
Oh, come
Read the
on.
book. Give me.
Nangangain ng tangatote.
Oh, you're so funny.
I don't know how it is done, May. Ah, you can turn it?
Where you plug it? The power. You didn't plug on the power.
Wait, the camera! Like that.
I need to install the, no?
Ah! Need to
It's a
download
webcam, so
first.
need to install the webcam.
Ah!
And there is a software for the light, I think.
Ah!
Dude, crap!
Okay, guys, we will install
And
it first.
it's not a mouse pad, it's a manual.
Ah!
Is that?
But you have 3 stickers.
Guys, hindi siya mousepad. Kasi naman eh. It's not a mousepad. It's a manual.
Oh no!
Kasi naman, binalot pa dito, blah blah blah. Tapos ang ganda-ganda ng papel. It's so, right? Nice paper, high quality paper. That's why it looks like a mouse pad. Sorry naman. Ayan, kaya pala nangangain ng tanga ko. Sorry naman talaga. Ayan, so, blah blah blah. Ha ha ha. Registration. Okay. System requirements: PC with a free USB port, Windows 7 or higher, internet connection, 500 MB of free hard disk space, third-party software.
Yeah.
I need to download the software
Yeah.
first, which is the Open Broadcaster software or XSplit. And then, blah blah blah, just go on. Matchatsagaan pala itech.
Check if it is magnetic, the base.
Huh? Magnetic?
Yeah, and the base you can fix on
Ah,
the
50 to
on,
100 cm. The distance
yeah.
should be clear. There's a product serial number.
You can fix it also. There is a screw under. You can fix it on a camera tripod.
Yes, it it shows.
Yes, because you have the
Use the flexible clip to place the Razer Kiyo on top of monitors or TVs or on almost any surface with ease. You may also attach the Razer Kiyo to a tripod using the thread mount under the flexible clip, which is not included.
Oh
My
no!
God! Surprise now!
yes,
This
it's-
price not yet included? Shwala.
Duh.
but there you have the screw. You have the screw inside under.
Yes.
It there is you see the hole with the screw. It's standard for
Yes,
support.
it's easy to chuba choo choo. Adjusting the ring light brightness. The camera's ring light is automatically enabled when you launch a compatible camera or third-party broadcasting software with the Razer Kiyo set as its capture device. Okay. Congratulations! You are now ready to use your Razer Kiyo. If you know.
But it will work. You need to use your computer and
Configuration du système nécessaire. Ok, en
C'est en
français. Chuba chuchu. Connectez votre Razer Kiyo au port USB de votre ordinateur. D'accord. Okay.
later on you can show it working.
Yes. Later on, I will show once I downloaded the
App.
app, the software. Okay, that's all for now. Ciao, bye.